Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to start your brand agency right after this video, cause I'm gonna give you all the resources you need. You will not need a course or you will not need anything of that things. So I'm gonna show you right now how to do what I did. I'm gonna jump on my laptop right now. So as you see right here, 7 times featured on Behance. If you are a designer, you will know that. So I'm a freelance designer. So I design like brand designs, I design websites, I design a lot of things. So if you are like a big client and you want something exclusive, you can just inquiry, like you can fill out the form to inquire up. Like if you have a business and you want to start to do its branding, you can just fill out the form right down below, and you can see my portfolio here on Behance. You can, all the links are right down below. So first thing first, we're gonna start with what do you need to start to become a brand designer. One thing, if you want to become a brand designer agency, like, or a brand design agency, you will not need these things first. Like you will need the file, the templates, so you can duplicate them for all the clients. If you are like, you want just to be on a medium or a low high ticket clients and you want to give them something big and like a high value, but you will not take a lot of time, you will need these templates, because these templates, it's like it's based on 10 files, 10 templates. First template, with the discovery template, you will need to give them so they can fill out with all the things they need: proposal, invoice, design contract, and brand strategy, and project presentation, logo, usage guide. You will just need those things so you can fill out them. So fill out them with text you will need just from ChatGPT, one sentence, and they will give you these things. So, and also if you go to InDesign, like if you go to this file, for example, if we go to brand guideline, you will click on these files right here, like for InDesign, and you will just fill out. So you gotta go on the star mine, and you will just fill them with your branding. For example, logo, you will need the logo branding, you will need to drop your logo. So that's is my logo, and it will duplicate for all the files. So for example, you will see all the file, you can just go to ChatGPT and fill out this text and paragraphs. And also the third thing the third thing to know is you will need logo. So if you aren't a designer, you are a leader or a businessman, so you can just go to Fiverr, get a logo for $5 and drop it on this file and sell it with $300 or $500. Bro, $300 for duplicate things. For you can use one solution for a lot of problems, it's not affect anything, and also you will get a $300. It's a low it's a low offer. So how to get the clients? First thing first, you will need to go to Google Maps. For example, right, solar company USA, go all the way up. You will check every, like for example, if we check this one, or we check his website, so you can see his website is a mess, and also the logo is a mess. You can get a great logo for just $5 on Fiverr. Just search for someone who can do a minimalist logo. And also if you see right here, here is it, the number. Like you can just take the number and go to GoHighLevel. Use my link right down below. So they giving you a number and also a service, so you can call you can call to all these numbers. If you use my affiliate link, you can get a 14 days free trial, and you can call like a lot of clients. In just 14 days you can get like over $1,000 for just using my template. Duplicate them, change the colors, change the fonts. And also if we go to their website, you will see also they have a messed website, so you can just fix it, bro, like just 10 minutes. Go to Framer and also click on marketplace. So I will I will let the links right down below on the description link, so you can use all the free templates, bro. Like, bro, why people let the free templates and they go to use the paid templates, just spending all and wasting money, bro? Like, just like be reasonable, bro. Like, just use the free templates right here, and you can go and make great presentations and great websites and great everything. And when like a low, because if we go with the offer of $300 offering brand guidelines, brand strategy, website, and everything, bro, $300 for a client. If you have a great skills of calling, like using for example GoHighLevel and having a great sales skills, you will get this $300 easy on a daily basis. Like daily basis you will get $1,000, and $1,000 for like multiply at 30 days, bro. Like 30 days you will get a 30k dollars on a month, bro. Like, but I will just suggest to get $1,000 a month. So just lower your fees and lower your charges, and don't be greedy. So people who are greedy, I hate greediness, because greediness is the one who take me down to the deep ocean. But also, so to get to the next thing, I will show you right here. I will show you right here how to buy the template. I will show you how to buy the template from like my template, my branding design workflow. You can just click on the link right down below, and it's still 15% off. Will be like 50% off. Get it with $44, and here is what you will get. You will get all these resources. You will get all these resources in design. And if you have any questions, you don't know how to use this template, you can just come and DM me on my Instagram, and I will record a video, like an exclusive video for you to show you how to use the templates. And you can get it for just $44. And also I will show you also a mentoring like for free, bro. Like there is no extra money. So just come to me, DM me, and I will show you how to use the template for free and how to kickstart. Don't forget to drop a like button and also a subscribe button, and and also all the links are right down below. Thank you guys.